Hi, this is Dean Matson, and this is August 14th, 2020, and I'm going to show you how to set up a FolderSync. So what the FolderSync does is it syncs a folder in Synology with a subcategory here in RadioDJ, so you don't have to manually import it each time. So it's kind of handy. So the first thing you're going to do is you have to make sure, if you're going to do a show, that it already exists here in radio shows. So I'm going to set one up for Artist Spotlight, which is not here yet. So the first thing we have to do is make a subcategory in RadioDJ. So I'm going to go here to the Options tab, and we're going to go to Categories. And we're going to make sure we're in radio shows here, so we see all the radio shows. And since we're going to add one, we're going to click in that box here, and we're going to put in Artist Spotlight. Okay, check that it's spelled right. Looks good. And then you're going to press plus. Okay, so it should be there now. So we're going to press OK. And let's check to make sure it's here. Artist Spotlight, yes. Okay, so then we go here to FolderSync. Now you do have to have rights to that. So if you need to do this, you probably have to check with somebody who can set up these permission rights. I can, Bruce can, maybe somebody else. But okay, so what I do next is I look for a show that's similar to the one we're adding. So Artist Spotlight is kind of a rock show. It's music, so I'm going to choose Lost in the Tracks. So I'm going to make it the same genre and same track type as Lost in the Tracks. So I'm going to go to here. We're adding a radio show. We are going to do Artist Spotlight. And let's see, so it's going to be, we'll call it rock. Where is it? There it is. And we'll put music. Okay, now here is where we want the path to Synology. So you click on the folder here, and you find your way to it. It's going to be in this PC, so click on that little arrow there. Find radio content. Sometimes it takes a while for it to get the categories. There it is. Okay, so it should be in local shows, Artist Spotlight. So open that up and always go to the current folder. Okay, once you have it highlighted, press OK and make sure it's here. So Artist Spotlight and current. Okay, now to add it, you press the plus button. Now if you do make a mistake later on, you can edit it by clicking here. You can also delete it and try again. When you edit it, make sure you have to save it again. So anyhow, okay, so it's right there right now. So let's go ahead and sync now. We can close this up. Let's see, so let's go back to Artist Spotlight. And there the current show is. So now if we're doing a re-air for one of his shows, we can add that action into one of the events. Okay, hope that helps.